Out of all the factors that influence student learning experiences, the number one in-school factor is actually how effective a teacher is. Policies that set compensation on a single salary schedule traditionally do not support a teacher workforce that might guide effective teachers to work in schools that need them most. By providing a little extra pay for teachers to work in certain school settings that might draw and attract teachers to work in the schools that need them most and help retain teachers longer in those school settings. The studies that we conducted show that moderate sum bonuses, only $5,000 to retain a teacher for an extra year, can actually have observable effects in terms of how well students are performing in schools. So New York City has stated that they'll allocate about $5,000 to $8,000 in bonuses for teachers to work in schools that are quote-unquote struggling schools, hard-to-staff schools, low-performing schools. Education is perhaps one of the few institutions in our society that can facilitate social mobility.